Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about on-screen monitoring system by using federal learning as well as machine learning. So in this for the machine learning, we are going to use CNN as well as LSTM. So CNN is the convolution neural network and LSTM is the long short-term memory. So these are the two algorithms we are using in the machine learning. And the main thing like we are using Tesseract tools here, which read the letters or words from the images or URL, and it helps from the detecting the letters and for the real-time capture screenshots. So by using the Tesseract OCR, just we are embedding the text and it helps to pre-processing the data. And then in this case, we are using FL, federal learning as well as. So for an example, the federal learning concept is the advanced concept in nowadays. Like for an example, if we have five different types of clients and with their own data set, they can't share their data set to each other. Without sharing their data set, they are training their data set own by using same model. For an example, by using CNN, all those five clients, they will be trained their own data set. But finally, they will send their model weights to the server. So that server, what it will do, it make as the global model. So which can that all those five client can use that model and it works for all the types of data set. So this is the federal concept. Without sharing their data set, they can train and they can use as the model. And this is the block diagram of our project. Here you can see that like this is the pre-process, like preparing the data set. So first we are loading the data set and resizing, and in from images we need to extract the text. We have scheduled to read some of the works for the student. So if instead of reading, they are doing some other activities. So by extracting the test, it helps to detect what the student is doing. So for that, we are using as the test tractors here. Then we are normalizing tokenizer and we are splitting to the client sets. So in client sets, you can see that they are loading the local data set, which is nothing. They have own data set that will be loaded there. Then we will initialize the model. Finally, we'll connect to the server. Then we are training the local model. Okay. So in this case, like how it will transfer to the server means client will use as the CKAS, homomorphic. They will tell us homomorphic encryptions. So we will encrypt the model weights. So from this model, we will take only model weights and this sends to the server. Okay. This will be sent to the server. So in between ML, it will act by using CNN model as well as LSTM. So here we are using some of the layers as well as this is the output will become as the classifications. So like the student is studying or playing or distraction, non-learning. So like that we will classify. And finally, this is the client downloads and update the model. So the Flask API server, like it will accept the weights from the client and that will create as the global model. So by using this Fed average, like they will tell us the federal average aggregations, we detect as the global model. So this global model helps to use the all the clients. And this is the folder of our project and app.py, this is the main folder you can see here. So in this, you can see that like we have database and database we are creating by using SQLite 3 and number of tables like user, admin, as well as the predictions, what the students is doing. And these are the tables we have. So let me run and show you how our project is working. And here you can see that this is the index page of our project. So on-screen monitoring. So first we need to register. First we need to register, then log in, predict about. In our page, you can see that what are the things we have implemented. So like federated learning FL we have used, and different privacy we have used, homomorphic encryption, so which secures the aggregations. And then this is the interaction dashboard. So in this for dashboard for the admin also we have created it. And back to home. So see, if I click this predict button, once if you log in means only it will directly log in or else it will ask for the login. So already I have registered. I will log in by using the registered details. So once if it is login, it goes for the dashboard of the students. So here you can see that like dashboard of the students. So steady activities monitoring. So this will automatically record our screen every 30 seconds in the background. So if I click start studying, so after 15 seconds, so like what are the activities we are doing, it will recognize and it will report to the admin pages. So let me show you. So now if I click the start studying, so start in 15 seconds, within 15 seconds, it starts to monitor our laptop. So now I'm coming for the Wikipedia. So this is my task to read as the Wikipedia of the machine learning. So just I'm keeping for this as well as. So now I have kept here. So now I'm going to the YouTube. So for an example, I'm watching and scrolling as the YouTube for the 30 seconds or more than 30 seconds. It will detect as distraction or not learning something, it will detect as. And let me show you that. So now for an example, I'm playing chess game as the online. Okay, now I will return to the dashboard of the students. So here you can see that now I came here, I'm clicking as the study completed. So now the monitor also stopped. Now I will check with the admin pages. So here for the admin, we should log in for the admin. So this is the admin details to log in. So once if I log in, it goes for the admin dashboard. So here you can see that like welcome admin, view users. So I'm clicking here. So before I used my name as the Chandru at gmail.com and name as Chandru. And if I click this view performance, so here you can see that first like I showed as the Wikipedia, it's shown as the studying. So 100% with confidence score it is telling at what time? 15:51. So 3:51. So in 3:51 at 20 second I have studying and I used some of the YouTubes. Okay, so it's showing as the distractions. And if I play the chess, it's showing as the not learning. So based on this, it will monitor our screen and it will report to the admin whether the student is studying or they have distracted, they are not learned like that. Based on those activities, it will detect here. So if you want to delete this, you can delete by using this delete history, and this is for the back to the users. And this is the overall concepts of our project. So it helps to the students to learn properly. And thank you all. I hope you like this project, and we'll meet with one more good project in the next sections. Thank you.